Here's how to delete your Facebook account in 2026. Now, I'm on my iPhone. You can do this on an Android or even a computer. It works the exact same. Now, the first thing we need to do is get to your settings. So on the iPhone, you can see at the bottom right is that menu icon. However, keep in mind on Android and on a computer, for whatever reason, Facebook put it at the top right. So just tap on that. From here, let's get to your settings by opening up Settings and Privacy and then Settings. Now within here, they usually move it around where the account deletion button is. There are two different ways I would recommend finding it. Either you can manually navigate to it or we can search for it. I'll show you both. Let's tap on See More in Account Center and then Personal Details at the bottom. If you see it down at the bottom, Account Ownership and Control, that's great, you can tap on it. Or you can always just go back and just search for Deletion and it should pop up with Personal Details. And then again on here, tap on Account Ownership and Control and then Deactivation and Deletion. Now, of course, this is for Facebook, so let's tap on that. Now, when you're in here, it will automatically default to deactivate, but instead we want to delete this account. So tap on that and hit continue, and then you can just hit continue. You don't necessarily need to answer that. Now from here, it does say that it will deactivate your Messenger account and you might want to download all of your information. If you're ready to go, hit the continue button and you'll need to enter in your password again for your account. Let me just enter that in and then hit continue. Now in the very last page, it does say on here, it will just schedule it for deletion after 30 days. So essentially you have 30 days to be able to log back in and recover your account. After that, it will be permanently deleted.